Everything will be fine. And it's not always perfect, and it's not exactly always the way you thought, but everything has a way of working out. Now, that's where the O in OMG comes into play with outside in thinking. Outside in thinking is big picture thinking. It's looking through life with a different lens. It's taking yourself out of the play, off the stage, and sitting down in the audience and saying, if I was a friend, or I was my teacher, or if I was my best friend right now, what would I say about what's happening in my life? It's stepping back, looking at your life, and saying to yourself, I know that things aren't the way they're supposed to be, but I'm wondering how this change might benefit me. In my book, Butter Side Up, I refer to it as going to the office, something that ADK is doing here in a big way at your convention in Kansas City. You're all looking for opportunities to do things differently, keep what's working, let go of what's not, and initiate plan change with vision and hope and wonderful outcomes for the future. You are looking at the opportunities you have now, and you're saying, how can we improve on that? In business, there's a lot of emphasis on adapting to change, but we don't always take this approach in our personal lives. Business leaders collectively spend billions of dollars discussing organizational change, how to define their mission and vision, prepare and plan, and respond to change. Dynamic global thought leaders understand fostering innovation, inclusivity, diversity are pillars for organizational leadership. They are a robust foundation that supports and grows successful, diverse, healthy organizations such as ADK. Now, this is a great time to say happy birthday to yourself. You're 75 years strong.